From household to stronghold to monument, here we are at Ravenscraig Castle. James II acquired the great lands of Ravenscraig in 1460, where he immediately began construction on this castle for his wife, Queen Mary of Guelders. Within 5 months of starting the project, James was killed by his own guns at the siege of Roxburgh. However, Queen Mary continued on with the project and had it completed to the point where she could live in it for 25 days in 1461. In 1470, Mary's son, James III, granted the castle to the Sinclairs. It was compensation for resigning the earldom of Orkney and the lordship of Shetland to the crown. At the same time, he became earldom of Caithness. As a royal household, this castle was most definitely built with defence in question. Situated on a promontory facing the Firth of the Forth, fronted by a large rock-cut ditch. But it was really the Sinclairs that turned this castle into a well-defended fort. Where Mary would have put her great hall, the Sinclairs put a gun platform. Thanks to its massively 3.5 metres thick wall and many gun holes such as this one, Ravenscraig Castle is considered more of an artillery fort than a residence. Though its overtly martial appearance is the result of many modifications, and it has most likely been modified that way to defend the fort against English invasion. The West Tower, the owner's 4-floor apartment, was accessed via a staircase on the first floor, overlooking this whole courtyard. And on this very courtyard, these buildings that have now crumbled were a bakehouse, kitchen and other offices. This East Tower housed the well and apartment for senior officials. Although the castle stands crumbled and decayed, it should not and will not be forgotten as a part of great Scottish history.